How to transfer send crypto from crypto.com to Tangem Wallet. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer send crypto from crypto.com to Tangem Wallet. First, open the crypto.com app on your phone and log in with your credentials. Then, tap on the Accounts tab and select Crypto Wallet from the list. Now, choose the cryptocurrency, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT that you want to transfer. Then, tap on the transfer. Next, go to Withdraw an external wallet address. In Tangem app, open your wallet card, select the same crypto, and copy your Tangem wallet address. Now, go back to crypto.com, tap Add Wallet Address, paste the Tangem address, and confirm network type ERC20 or TRC20. Then, complete two-factor authentication and save the Tangem wallet address. After that, enter the amount you want to send, double-check the address and network, then tap Withdraw. Wait for blockchain confirmation, after which the crypto will appear in your Tangem wallet balance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.